Good day and welcome again to my channel. At this moment, I want to discuss the meaning of a crypto exchange. You must have been hearing of crypto exchange or a cryptocurrency. A crypto exchange can be defined as a marketplace where cryptocurrencies are traded. I just use cryptocurrencies summarily to indicate all manner of coins, crypto, tokens, NFTs, DeFi, etc., where they are traded or exchanged for other currencies, or exchanged for other cryptos, or exchanged for a stable coin. I've done a video on a stable coin in one of my tutorials. You can scan through. You can lay your hands on it. So an exchange, for example, an exchange is like Binance. Like you can see on the interface here, this is an example of an exchange. This is Binance. And what do I do here? I buy cryptocurrencies here. I can trade my cryptocurrency. I can trade, like you can see from the interface, USDT/NGN. That is USDT/Nigerian Naira. You know, I can trade Bitcoin. I can buy and I can sell. I can swap, for other currencies like this BTC USDT, and the value as at the time of making this video is 43,688 US dollars or USDT. Okay. Now, simply defined as a place of trading or exchanging your cryptocurrency. If you are into the world of cryptocurrency, you must be familiar with top exchanges. One of the top exchanges in the world, in the entire universe, is Binance. You can always find out from CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Like you can see from CoinGecko, we have Binance at the topmost. We have Coinbase, we have Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, Kraken, and so on and so forth. So you choose the one of that suits you the most in terms of the cost of carrying out transaction, because each of these exchanges has the cost of buying and the cost of selling and the convenience of transfer and their rules and regulations, what is required of each of the exchange. So you got to find out. Like now, I'm conversant with Binance. I've been using it for quite some years, and I have been enjoying it. I've been enjoying the P2P, that's person to person trading, and be enjoying their transfers and even minimal transactions fee. I also a fan of KuCoin, OKX, Bitforex, But one thing you must know in exchanges, not all cryptocurrencies can be listed in all the exchanges because of the requirement of each of the exchange. There are some upcoming tokens that may not be able to meet the standard. So it depends. And why you must be familiar also with exchanges is that there can be a situation when you want to go into arbitrage. Arbitrage, I've also discussed that in one of my videos, where in a situation where you can sell or buy cryptocurrency in an exchange, in one exchange where it is cheaper, and sell in another exchange where you can make some profit, difference from both exchanges. There are other factors that you need to consider in doing the arbitrage. I also discuss it in some of my videos in this channel. So that is simply what a crypto exchange is. It's just a place where you can buy, you can sell, you can trade your cryptocurrency. You can convert it to fiat currency, your local currency, if the need be. Thank you. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification button so that when tutorial like this comes from time to time, you'll be notified. Thank you.